Temperature sensor manufacturers often face challenges such as poor weld quality, inconsistent temperature control, and damage to sensitive components. The TATE PT100 Welding Machine is engineered to solve these problems and ensure high-quality welds every time. The TATE PT100 machine features precise heat control, minimizing the risks of overheating or underheating during the welding process. This results in stronger, more durable welds for PT100, PT1000, RTD, NTC, and Thermocouple sensors, improving both product quality and reliability. Our machine's real-time monitoring system ensures that your welding parameters are always within the ideal range, reducing defects and enhancing sensor performance. With its user-friendly interface and low-maintenance design, the TATE PT100 makes the welding process faster, safer, and more efficient. We are the trusted source manufacturer offering exceptional quality and customer care. Don't forget to subscribe, like,